One of Kakadu's most popular spots, still off limits to tourists as an extended court battle becomes more and more complex.
There's a lot of legal jargon back and forth between the lawyers. I'm just concerned that the site at Gunlum's been left behind. It's not the issue in the courtroom.
The battle began years ago when the Territory's Sacred Sites watchdog took the federal government's Parks Australia to court, alleging the organisation had illegally built a walking track, damaging a sacred site near the popular falls and angering traditional owners. Now the fight has reached the Supreme Court and turned into a complex constitutional debate as the federal government argues the Commonwealth organisation can't be subject to criminal charges under the Territory's Sacred Sites laws. But in the second day of submissions, ARPA's lawyers argued that Commonwealth immunity shouldn't apply in this instance. The Northern Land Council is worried if the court agrees with the federal government, sacred sites could be left vulnerable. In a statement, the NLC said it would mean if the Commonwealth damages or interferes with a sacred site, it couldn't be prosecuted in the same way as any other person who enters Aboriginal land, meaning less protection for sacred sites. At Gunlum Falls, works are underway to move the walking track so the pools can eventually reopen. Mr Markham is hoping the situation is never repeated.
I'm hoping this court case will put something down the stone to allow these sort of things not to happen in the future, because we don't want a new management team coming and going back to this issue again.
Parks Australia says it's committed to seeking sacred sites permits when working in Kakadu, regardless of the outcome of this case. The Supreme Court justices will hand down their decision later this year. Nicholas Hines, ABC News.